Welcome to the V2U Research Ultimate Masterclass for Monday, February 23rd, 2026. This edition is dedicated strictly to our Australian investing community. The ASX200 is the heartbeat of our economy. Today we saw a softer start with a 0.61% dip, closing at 9,026 points. Global trade shifts are rewriting the rules. For Australia, the new 15% US tariff is a major catalyst that every local investor must track. As a major exporting nation, these tariffs make our products more expensive overseas, which can squeeze the profits of our biggest companies. Let's look at the charts. Our trampoline, the key support level, is at 8,915. It's the safety floor keeping the index stable. Every time we hit this zone, local buyers step in. As long as this floor stays intact, the long-term trend remains positive. But we have a ceiling at 9,105. This is resistance. It's where the momentum often slows down as sellers take control. This ceiling is starting to weaken. A breakout here could trigger a fast move toward new record highs for the Australian market. Our market speedometer, the RSI, is at 57.69. It tells us we still have a positive bias, even after today's minor dip. We also follow moving averages to find the true path. It's about looking past the daily weather to see the long-term trend. Market psychology is key. Beginners often fall for the FOMO trap, but at V2U, we teach you to stay patient and wait for your setup. Our IT sector was the hardest hit today, dropping over 4.5%. Laggards like Megaport and Datavar3 faced significant double-digit losses. Healthcare also slipped, with Pro Medicus contributing to the decline. It shows that no sector is completely immune to sentiment shifts. Energy stocks like Ampol traded lower after reporting a fall in statutory profit, broadly tracking global energy price movements. Our big four banks remain the backbone of the index. They are crucial for every Australian portfolio to monitor closely. But gold was the hero today. Northern Star Resources rose over 3.4% as investors looked for safety in a sea of red. The real stars were Reese Limited and Guzman y Gomez. It's a reminder that strong consumer demand can defy broader trends. Let's look at local examples. Sarah in Sydney is using ETFs to diversify across the entire ASX200 while prices are lower. In Melbourne, Mike is focusing on maximizing his super contributions to build tax-effective wealth for his future. And David in Brisbane is using micro-investing apps to pick up gems like Reese Limited during market dips. Now, let's talk about your super. It's not just a mandatory deduction, it's your most powerful long-term wealth engine. Think of your super like a gum tree. You plant the seed early, and with compounding, it grows deep roots that provide shade for your retirement. To supercharge that growth, consider salary sacrificing. Even a small extra contribution today can mean hundreds of thousands more later. And don't let fees eat your wealth. Make sure you consolidate your funds. One strong fund is better than 5 small ones losing to fees. But beware the interest trap. High-interest credit cards are a weight on your wealth journey. Pay them off first. Next, keep an eye on Australia's CPI data. It measures inflation, how much your Aussie dollars can actually buy at the shops. We're also watching construction work done data. It's a key indicator of activity across our cities and regions. Tomorrow, we see earnings from AUB Group and ARB Corporation. Think of these as the report cards for our local businesses. Choosing the right broker, like CommSec or NabTrade, is your first step to owning a piece of the Australian market. At V2U Research, our insight engine filters the global noise to give you the signal you need right here at home. Our mango tree strategy is about building wealth for future generations of Australians. Plant the seed today. Focus on your system, not the daily symptoms of the ASX. That is the path to long-term financial freedom. Every plan needs a foundation. In Australia, having the right health and life insurance is non-negotiable protection. FAQ time. How much do you need to start on the ASX? Just $500 is enough to get you moving. The key is just to start. If you found this useful, please like and subscribe to join our growing community of Australian investors. What ASX stocks are you tracking this week? Share your watch list in the comments below. We read everyone. Trade responsibly, manage your risk, and stay patient. The Australian market rewards those who wait. Thank you for joining this V2U Research Masterclass. We'll see you in the next update. Happy investing.
Disclaimer: the information contained in this publication is general in nature and has been prepared without taking into account your objectives, financial situation, or needs. It is provided by Titan Security, holder of Australian Financial Services, license number 307040. It is not intended to constitute personal financial advice. Investing and trading involve risk, and past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. You should consider your own objectives, financial situation, and needs before acting on any information contained herein. You should also read our financial services guide and, where relevant, the product disclosure statement and target market determination issued by the product provider. These documents are available upon request. Titan Securities accepts no liability for any loss or damage arising from reliance on this information.